Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure to stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Explorer T generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you have one of those, you have a warning on the dash that says on that Ford Explorer, guys, collision warning not available. You wonder what causes that message, how to fix it. We'll explain what we see here at the garage. Also, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy cheap parts and tools. That way do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So collision warning not available, guys. Warning, what can cause that? Multiple things, but the first thing you want to check is the fuse for the collision warning system. You have one fuse where it's located. We need to open the driver door, and here we need to come in the on the driver's side in the footwell compartment. That's the parking brake paddle. If you come behind it, look from underneath the dash, look up on the left side, you have a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the collision warning system fuse, where you can expect to find it. Let's zoom in so you can clearly see that coming this way now. Okay, that's row number 1, 2. You come in the third row right here, starting this way. After the relay, we have fuse number 33, 34. That fuse number 34, that's the one for the collision warning system. If the fuse is good, it may be mechanical problem, such as a bad sensor, radar, guys. So in that way, you will need to scan the system, find the code and exactly what's wrong with it. But always check the fuse because it could be simple fix. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.